Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today I will be doing another slime video. Today I will be putting random stuff in slime like chemicals, food, junk food. It's totally safe. So let's get started. And by the way, make sure to follow my Instagram @GritSlimes, and make sure to drop a subscribe and like this video and comment notification squad for a possible shout out in the next video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be putting Cheetos in first. I love Cheetos. It's one of my favorite snack foods. Okay, so I'm going to be folding the slime. I got a little dust on my hands, which was pretty funny. I feel like the slime's going to melt. It's either going to melt or it's going to turn orange. Because, I don't know, I just have the feeling. Yeah, it's not melting, which is pretty cool, but it's turning orange, so I'm gonna let you guys hear the sounds. So yeah. Okay guys, so next I will be putting in a crackle. As you can see, it's like you could put like butter on it. It's not like a Ritz cracker, it's kind of like a flour crackle. It's like made of like flour and water, legit. So I honestly don't think it will melt because it's literally just flour and water. So, but we'll see, Yeah, it doesn't seem, it's not melting, but there is clumps in it because I can't really get all the crumbs out. So, yeah, I'll let you guys hear the noise. Oh yeah, and by the way, that was a bit of a mistake with the camera. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting in, see what I'm putting in. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting in little green pea, snaps things, like crackers basically, shaped like pasta thing, but that doesn't matter. I honestly think this will melt because it's more than flour and water. It has green peas in it and all that. So I'm using another white base again. Right there I'm trying to crack it because I want to get crumbled up so the protein's getting to it so I can actually see. Okay, so this time I am putting in raspberries. Raspberries are my only, I only like raspberries as a healthy food. That's my only healthy food I like, raspberries. So I think this is actually gonna melt because there's a lot of sugar in it. So let's see. Yeah, it melted. It's gonna melt. Yeah, it's already melted. Yeah, this one took me so long to clean off the white thing though. Okay, so this time I'm putting in bread. This isn't whole grain bread. It's like, have you heard of Dave's bread? Like, yeah, it's that kind of bread. It has like sunflower seeds. So on the crust, but it seemed a lot like Daso. This, like, if you know what Daso is, it's like a soft clay that they put in butter slimes, other than Marble Magic. But it seems so much like Daso, like touching it, because it like ripped apart really easily. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Get this video to, I don't know, 20 likes? 20 likes, yeah, 20 likes if you want me to do another video of this. So I didn't do any chemicals, it just, I couldn't really do it. Like, I need my parents' permission and stuff. I'm still young, guys. So, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below notification squad if you want to get shout out in the next video possibly. Subscribe to this channel. Follow my Instagram at GritSlimes and for daily videos. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys.